Good morning from American Muscle Car Museum in Melbourne, Florida. Sun's up, looking good today. Out from the collection, we have a 1957 Mercury 100 pickup truck. These were produced up in Canada. You didn't see very many of these, maybe in Montana and North Dakota. The northern states you would see them. It's done up in a Cumberland green with a Colonial white top on it. There was less than 500 of these trucks produced in 1957. The base model was about $1,700, $1,800. You would get a 223 cubic inch inline six, 139 horsepower. Three on the column, manual transmission. Really basic. This particular truck is a frame-off restoration, rotisserie restoration, and numbers matching, beautifully done up. The interior is a beige and green, offsets the color combination of this thing. Fabulous. I mean, it is just a good-looking pickup truck. When they produced these trucks, they were basic. All the chrome bumper, the whitewall tires, the tinted glass, outside rearview mirrors, and most of all, a heater. That was an option in Canada. I don't understand that, but it was listed as an option. You definitely had to have it in Canada. We had this 1957 Mercury pickup in for annual maintenance on it, and I did a little carburetor work on it, got it tuned up, and while it was in the shop, we converted to Evans coolant. While it was in the shop, we converted over to Evans waterless coolant. We really believe in this product. It preserves these older cars as they sit in the museum. We've converted way over 200 of these units. Evans is the product. This is just an exceptionally good looking little vehicle. I know my wife absolutely loves it. Out of all the units that are in the museum in there, this is her favorite. Beautiful color combination. We're going to get it back into the museum. Again, thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it.